In this video we will learn how to install PHP on Windows 10. With that we will also run a sample PHP program. Go to the web browser. On Google type PHP and hit enter. On hitting enter, the official website is visible. Click on it. Here is the official website php.net and the current version is visible here 8.5.8. I'll directly click the downloads page. Now we have reached the PHP downloads page. For the current version, go below and here is the version we want. Okay, here two versions are visible, non-thread safe as well as thread safe. We will download the thread safe version. For that, click on the zip file to download it. On clicking the download started, let's wait. We have downloaded the zip file. Right click and click show in folder. Here our zip file is visible. Right click, click extract to PHP. We have extracted our file. Now right click on the file, click rename. I'll give it a proper name. Okay, that's it. I'll open it. It should be visible like this. Here I'll just copy this. Right click, copy. Go to C drive, then go to program files and right click, paste. Click continue. Here is our PHP. Double click, copy the path, minimize, go to start, type environment variables. Here under edit the system environment variables, click open. Under advanced, click environment variables. Under system variables, go to path, double click. After double clicking, click new. Right click and paste the same path. Click OK. OK and the last OK. Now we have installed PHP. Let us verify. Go to start. Type cmd. Click open. Type php-v and hit enter. If the following is visible, that means we successfully installed PHP. Now let us minimize this and run our first program. Now let's run our first PHP program. For that I'll just right click and create a new folder. Let's say the name is Amit PHP project. You can add any name. I'll open this and under this I'll create my first PHP file. Right click, click new, select a text document. Let's say our file name is index. I'll just remove txt and add PHP. I clicked here and it is asking me to change the file name extension. Yes. For some users the extensions may not be visible. Why? Because you did not enable this, that is view file name extension. I already enabled it. That's why the file extension is visible. Now right click and open. We can either open it with Notepad++ or Notepad. Let's say I'll edit with Notepad++. Now let's run our first PHP program. To run PHP, you need to enclose your code inside this. So I'm using the echo command to print something. I have added Amit Diwan, so the output will be Amit Diwan. I'll just go to file and click save all. Now what I'll do, I'll minimize this. You should remember the path is the following. Okay. Now just copy this path. Go to your command prompt. Right click. When I'll right click, it will automatically paste this path. Here it is. It pasted it. Press enter. Type cd. Now paste it and hit enter. We are inside the folder, PHP project folder. Type dir and now our single file index.php is visible. To run your PHP, just type php index.php. That's it and hit enter. Here you can see Amit Diwan printed successfully because it was also part of our code. Okay, so we ran our first PHP project successfully. For a free PHP, Bootstrap, HTML, jQuery and JavaScript tutorial, refer to the link in the description of the video. Thank you for watching.